This is also known as livestock herdings. So first of all, what the mean of livestock basically? So the life means the living thing, and the mean of stock. The mean of stock, supply for the future use basically, and for earn the profit means the living things. The man herding or rearing the living means the animal and cattle for supply for the futures mean their meat, milk and etc, and to earn the profit, that is called the livestock. So the man started to livestock herding and rearing have become important economic activity for the grassland. The pastoral means this kind of activity, the rearing of animal. This is the basic economic activity only of the grassland area. Different type of animal are grazed in different areas. As I explained you yesterday also, the different type of animal, as if you talk about the mountainous region, so the lightweight animal are suitable for the mountainous like sheep, goat and all these things. If we talk about desertic area, so the sheep and camel can survive in desertic region, so the sheep and camel are more suitable animal in desertic area. If we talk about grassland, so the cattle mean cow and buffalo, they can more suitable for the grassland area because they can survive in such type of climate condition. So it depend on the terrain as well as it depend on the condition of that particular area. So different type of animal are grazed in different areas. Then higher rainfall related to cattle means, cattle mean cow and buffalo. Low rainfall area with short grasses are more suitable for sheep. Then drier area, they are suitable for goats and camels. If we talk about reindeer, just like a dog shaped animal, so reindeer basically the reindeer is used by the Eskimos, and Eskimo lived in snow covered area. So reindeer is the chief animal in the tundra region. Tundra means where there is a maximum snow areas covered, that is called tundra region. So reindeer are more useful in tundra region, while llama and yak are found in the high altitude area because they are more hairy, so they can easily survive in high altitude where there is a we can say the below minus temperature is there. And Andes and Rockies, Himalayas are respectively means in mountainous region. The animal rear can be primitive, which is carried on by nomads and highly sanctified by a commercial scale. Means there are two kind of pastoralism basically. One is nomadic herding, means the the herdings of the animal done by the basic level. There is no scientific level in that, and just for the self consumption or consumption of the family. But in the scientific rearing, or we can say in the commercial rearing, the highly scientific baseline is used and the product made for the sale and to earn the profit. So on this behalf we can divide this basically pastoralism or the rearing of animal in two broad categories. That first is nomadic herdings and the second one is commercial livestock rearing. One by one, in next video we'll discuss this thing.